Alright guys, did you know that whenever you're using, for example, your Android phone, when you click the three lines towards the lower left hand side, the applications that you see right here on your phone, these are not the only running applications on your phone. And if you are closing these applications and think that, okay, I've closed all the application on my phone, then you're lying to yourself, or you just lack of knowledge. And I've come across this application or this tool called Smart Clean Pro that will literally shows you all the applications that are running on your phone, and you can stop them or force close these applications. So within this video, I'm going to show you how to check all of the running applications on your phone and how you can easily go ahead and close them. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is just quickly open up my Play Store here. As I said, you can get this on your App Store, Play Store. Open that up and you can just simply search for the Smart Clean Pro. So simple type in Smart Clean Pro, you'll find it. You'll want to look for the application right here that says Smart Clean Pro by Metanos, and just simply go ahead and install this app. I have it on my phone already, as you can see, so I'm going to just open the app. Now, once you open the app, it's going to do a quick scan. Again, if you're using the free version of the app, you will be hit by quite a lot of advertisements there. But if you're just using it from time to time, then it will not annoy you too much. Now, what you want to do is just simply go ahead and click on where it says Tools. And under Tools, you will be able to see a lot of different things that you can do. You can check your device status. You have it all. Look at this. You can do a lot. Now, here, just go ahead and click on running apps, and it's going to do a quick scan. Again, you may hit by some advertisements. So once it pops up, just click on the X to get rid of them. And remember, I showed you quite a few apps that I have. Look at this, just a bunch of apps, not a whole lot, right? But within this application, you can see that I will have a lot more applications that is shown running on my phone. These are applications that are running in the background, and this can also eat up your memory. Your phone can be laggy and slow at times. It can basically use up your CPU usage, all of these things. So you want to go ahead and use an application like this to check your running applications, and you can see them in the full list, and you can easily go ahead and close them. Now have a look at this list. It shows that I have 127 apps running on my phone. And I'm sure not all of these applications I need to have running or have run in the background. So you want to close these applications, guys. You want to force close this application because you don't need to have all applications here. Or at least I don't need to have all of these applications running on my phone right now. And so to close any application that you want to, just simply go ahead and click the stop, and it's going to stop the application. It's going to say force start, stop. You click on force stop, and the application is now force stop. Click on OK, and that's it. And that's how you easily do it, guys. So if you want to go through a whole list and see all the apps that are running on your phone, an app like Smart Clean Pro can do the trick for you, and it will allow you to close those applications, improve the speed of your phone, and of course make your phone run much smoother. With that said, guys, if you found value here, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question. Also, if you know more applications like that, feel free to share it within the comments of this video so that others in the community can know about that. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.